Hi everyone and welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between while loop and do while loop. Why we are going to use the two loops differently. Why not just one? So at first I want to show it inside the while loop. Say I want to print Malaysia 10 times. Malaysia I want to print 10 times. I plus 1. And then it will be start from 1 and it will end mm, 10. This is for 10 time Malaysia. Malaysia. Even if I want to give the serial number, like 1, 2, 3. So I plus we print on until 10, Malaysia. Now, let's say I just show here I is equal to 11. I just want to print by using while loop. Is it working or not? It's nothing. Print. Because initialization, I will start from 11, but in condition, they say I must be maximum until 10. So whenever they got this initialization value and then they check this condition and they found it is the condition is false, so it will not go forward and it will not print Malaysia or serial number anything because the condition is false. In while loop, if condition is false, so there will not be printing anything in that inside while loop. So okay, just I want to keep it here inside comment so that I can show you the real difference until this. Okay, now if I want to just same, I want to print the 10 time Malaysia in using do while loop by using do while loop. So inside do while loop, at first we have initialization, like I can start from 1 and it will be do, and then after do there will be nothing because while will be at the last. Okay. Mm, do. Then I can say while and then condition I 10. This is for also same if I run it. Malaysia 10 time. Until now it's okay, but here initialization start from 1. If I try to use initialization start from 11. It will start from 11. Okay. Now let's run. Why they print one time 11 Malaysia? Because during the while loop, whenever I have used while loop, if I just turn off it again by using comment, I just turn off this. Okay, until this. And then I turn on it again. Whenever I am using while loop and it's 11, it's also same condition, everything. There is nothing here. There is nothing because it's not true. But during whenever I am using for while loop, do while, okay, just delete this comment. Whenever I use this do while, but it's one time print 11 Malaysia, although the condition is until 10. Why? Because in while loop, I have to say the condition at the first time. So if condition is not true, that time it will not be working. It will not working. If there will be print nothing, because if whenever condition is false, it will not enter inside. But here, whenever I print this 11 and sorry, whenever I want to print it by do while loop, although I is equal to 11, but it still can enter inside the do while loop, inside the do while, and do means is give the something to do, is give order, and it's print one time Malaysia initially. But whenever it say the while and condition is until 10, that time it stop. It will not printing anything forward. So the real difference between while loop and while loop, if the condition is false, it will not print anything as default also. It will not print anything. But in do while, if condition, all the condition false, but it will print one time until the initialization. As we can say, it's like it can be working like a default values. So that is the real difference between while loop and do while loop. Whenever I use while loop, if condition is false, it will not working. This loop, it will not enter inside. Compiler will not working inside the while loop. But in do, it can enter because condition is at the last. So it can work until do, until print, it will work until increments. But it cannot increase because the first one, it will be the I is equal to 11, that will be print. Then whenever it will find the condition is false, then it will not working forward.